Hey guys, it's Christmas morning. I'm eating my breakfast. Don't judge. And today I got a mysterious slime packet. So what I'm gonna do is I've had no time, but I got the slime package like the second day I was here, and I've had no time to film this video. So now I'm going to film this video. I needed to film the other videos, so I'm going to film this video now. First, she had sent me these which were really good. I've already started eating them. They're like biscuits with white chocolate in them. So the first thing she sent me was this really squidgy Orbeez ball. The second thing was some blue Play-Doh, which I've been using in my videos. I just haven't really used it. I had to put a little bit of lotion in it because it was quite stiff when it came, but other than that, that was beautiful. It's really, really nice. Really squidgy Play-Doh. Next thing she sent me was one of these. So when I'm recording, I'm picking the camera up. Sometimes I record on my iPad. So when I'm recording on my iPad, I can pick it up with this and go. Imagine the iPad is here. This is my iPad. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sophia. Instead of holding the iPad, I'll be holding this, which is suctioned up onto the iPad. If you have any ideas for this is my one idea, but comment down below if you know what it's for. The third thing she sent me was actually fourth thing she sent. Fifth thing she sent me was some galaxy slime. Guys, this is totally not water. It's totally not water. Leo, you better not be watching on my iPad. I want that to charge. Good. Sorry. It's a cloth and jiggly. Told you it's totally not water. So the next thing she sent me was homemade, but I don't think it is. It's clear blue slime. Look how good that's set, guys. I've been waiting a good 3 or 4 days for this slime to set.
Yeah. Have you got a t-shirt under it? Yeah. Why the fuck would they do that on Christmas Day, man? What a load of shit. They decided to retune all the...
Yeah, it's really good. Really jiggly. And it sets really quick. And like, I was playing with it the other day and I was like, this is like setting so quick. It took like an hour to set completely. Like no little blobs anywhere. And yeah, so bye guys. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.